When placing the child in the MESA, here is a checklist of items you can go through. So when a child is rearward facing, the harness must be at or below their shoulders. To adjust the MESA headrest, you simply pull this tab and then push this down, and then you should hear it lock. So now we have the harness at or below the child's shoulders. Next, we're going to buckle him in. And what you want to do is pull the slack out of the thighs. I'm just adjusting my chest clip or retainer clip, tightening my harness by pulling this strap at the bottom. Again, checking my slack in my thighs. And then you're going to buckle your chest clip. To check for tightness, you have to do the pinch test, which is applied up near the shoulders of the child. I am going to force this pinch. You shouldn't be pinching a harness like that. If you are, your harness isn't tight enough. Your hand should slide right off the harness, and if that's the case, your harness is tight enough. Your chest clip must be at armpit level, and in our case, our buckle has no weight limit on it. So again, it's about proper fit. So if the child is sitting on top of the buckle, or the harness is cutting into their little thighs, at that point, it's time to move to our forward crotch buckle location. And our buckle slides in and out very easily. The last thing to think of with the MESA is looking at when it's time to transition to the next car seat. Key indications it's time to transition out of the UPPAbaby MESA is when your child meets the upper weight limit, which is 35 pounds, or the height limit, which is 32 inches. A good rule of thumb is that when our headrest is in the utmost position and the child is infringing upon that 1-inch mark from the top of the headrest structure, then it's time to move to the next seat, which is a convertible.